Whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it is time to pause and reflect.
Do you see this? What do you see?
Look around you. Technology has permeated our daily lives in ways most never predicted, and rewired the way we behave. Staying ahead of the game means becoming a future-forward professional. Change, is it in you? People who have what it takes to tackle the hottest jobs of the 21st century. Open-minded thinkers who adapt quickly to our evolving world.
Desmayarse, atreverse, estar curiosos.
People who do not just accept change, but choose to drive it. Change. It is in you. Challenge, innovation, connect, passion. These people will be the change makers of tomorrow. Visionaries, transformers, pioneers.
To be the first, to risk, to begin.
April?
Est-ce que c'est toi?
Welcome to the new world of work.
Welcome.
Bienvenidos.
Welcome to HST.